All right, Unit 9, Section 2, Convex Polygon Angles. So we're going to go through, we're going to fill out this table here really quickly. So we have a triangle. There are 3 sides, and there is one triangle on a triangle. If you add up all the interior angles, you get 180 degrees. Quadrilateral, we have 4 sides. There are 2 triangles. For example, if I just split this one right down the middle, I can make 2 triangles. Each triangle has 180, therefore there are 360 degrees. A pentagon has 5 sides. There are 3 triangles, so I could draw it like this and like this. You have 1, 2, 3, for example. If you add up 180 plus 180 plus 180, you end up with 540 degrees. A hexagon has 6 sides. There are 4 triangles, and another triangle would be 720 degrees. A heptagon is 7 sides. There are 5 triangles, and if you add up the total degrees, it would be 900. And last but not least, octagon is 8 sides, which is 6 triangles, or 1080 degrees. We are going to skip this section here really quickly and go to the summary. So, to find the total number of degrees of the interior angles, what we're going to do is we're going to take, I'm going to make those equals. So the total number of degrees equals the number of sides, n, minus 2 times 180 degrees. If you want to find each specific interior angle, so you have a triangle, for example, you want to figure out how many degrees each angle is. If they're all the same, what you're going to do is you're going to take each interior angle, that's going to equal the same starting amount, so n minus 2 times 180, but you're going to divide that by the number of sides, and that's going to tell you how many degrees each interior part of that triangle is. And then the exterior angle sum is that it's always 360 degrees. It does not matter how many sides your shape has. So how could you use these formulas? Well, you can calculate how many degrees are in a pentagon. So for example, how many degrees are in a pentagon? Well, we're going to take the number of sides in a pentagon, which is 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees, and we would get 540 degrees like we had in the table filled above. How many sides does a polygon have if its total degrees is 1,260? So now that's the total. We're going to set that equal to n minus 2 times 180, because we're trying to figure out n, the number of sides. So if you divide both sides by 180, you get 7 equals n minus 2. I'll show my work there. And if you add 2, the number of sides that you would have is 9. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular dodecagon? That's this second formula here. So we are going to take 12 minus 2 times 180, but now we have to divide it by 12 to figure out how many degrees each interior angle is. 12 minus 2 times 180 is 1,800 degrees, and if you divide that by 12, you get a nice even 150 degrees. So a few more ways here that you can use these formulas. What is the sum of the exterior angle measures of a hexagon? The key here is exterior. It's always 360 no matter what. Doesn't matter the shape. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon? Okay, so you could do this a couple of different ways. The first way is to take the total number of degrees, which is 540, divided by 5, and you'd get 108 degrees. Easy enough. Or, let me mean, the other way is not as common. We'll just go one way here. Let's just go one way. I wouldn't expect anybody to understand. It's hard to show when we haven't really worked on the other way a lot yet. So method 1, just take the number of total degrees, divide it by each angle, and you get 108. And that is it.